Here's what I currently use to film my cooking videos, part 3. Mics and lights. But before we move on, as a disclaimer, I am not a professional. I'm just simply sharing my experience to show you that you don't need to be a professional or have top-notch equipment. In fact, you don't even need to have all of the things that I just mentioned in this series to get you started on your creator journey. All you need is your phone, something to hold up your phone, and some decent lighting so we know what we're watching. Everyone begins with less than perfect content, and we all just improve over time. Now, let's dive back into the series. For speaking in my videos, I use the DJI wireless mic. It's perfect because I can connect it to my phone in seconds and it's ready to rock and roll. As for additional lighting, I'm still experimenting, but I sometimes use this newer ring light to brighten the room a bit more. I also use my OG ring light tripod that my sister gifted me almost 4 years ago. That's pretty much it, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share this with someone who may benefit from it, and follow for more content like this. See you in the next one. Bye!